As per reports, Chinese scientists have pushed technology limits to create a hypersonic missile which is capable of withstanding extreme heat.
China has just revealed a fighter jet so fast that it challenges everything we know about aviation. This hypersonic aircraft moves beyond the limits of modern technology, making traditional jets seem slow in comparison. It is impossible to intercept.
Although slower than ballistic missiles, hypersonic missiles travel at speeds
And can reach 4,000 miles per hour. Experts are shocked by how advanced it is, and the world is now questioning what China has developed. The true capabilities of this jet remain a mystery. So, what is this jet capable of? In this video, we will reveal China's new hypersonic jet that reached the speed of light. Standout features of the hypersonic jet. China's new hypersonic fighter jet is built for extreme speed and performance, pushing past the limits of what current aircraft can do. This jet is not just faster than traditional fighter jets, it is in an entirely different category. With the ability to travel at hypersonic speeds, it outmatches anything currently in operation. The key to its performance lies in its powerful engine system, advanced materials, and cutting-edge design, all of which have been developed to withstand the intense conditions of hypersonic flight. One of the most impressive features of this jet is its speed. While most fighter jets operate at supersonic speeds, this aircraft is designed to reach hypersonic levels, which means it flies at speeds greater than Mach 5. To put this into perspective, Mach 5 is 5 times the speed of sound, which is around 3,836 miles per hour, or 6,174 kilometers per hour. This means it could cross entire continents in minutes rather than hours. Such speeds make it nearly impossible for enemy defense systems to react in time, giving it a massive advantage in military operations. There's more to find out. Stay tuned for more details. At such extreme speeds, air resistance becomes a major challenge. When an aircraft moves at hypersonic speeds, the friction between the jet's surface and the surrounding air creates intense heat. The temperatures can rise beyond 1,500 degrees Celsius, which would melt most conventional materials. To prevent this, engineers have used special heat-resistant materials that can endure these extreme temperatures without breaking down.
Researchers from Britain and China have developed a ceramic material that could be used as a coating for hypersonic planes, allowing them to withstand the extreme temperatures generated by flying at hypersonic speed.
These materials not only protect the jet, but also keep it lightweight and efficient. The propulsion system is what makes this jet so powerful. Standard fighter jets use traditional jet engines that rely on compressed air and fuel combustion. While these work well at lower speeds, they are not capable of sustaining hypersonic flight. This aircraft, however, is designed with an advanced propulsion system that allows it to transition smoothly between different flight phases. At lower speeds, it functions like a regular jet, using turbofan engines for takeoff and initial acceleration. As the speed increases, it switches to rocket-assisted propulsion, and once it reaches supersonic speeds, ramjet engines take over. Ramjet engines are designed specifically for high-speed flight. Unlike traditional engines, they have no moving parts and rely on the aircraft's forward motion to compress incoming air before igniting the fuel. This makes them extremely efficient at hypersonic speeds. However, ramjets do not work at low speeds, which is why the jet uses a combination of different propulsion systems. This allows for a seamless transition from takeoff to hypersonic flight, without the need for external boosters or launch systems. Developing such a complex engine system took years of research and testing. Engineers had to design components that could handle the extreme forces generated at hypersonic speeds while still remaining lightweight and efficient. The materials used in the engine had to be heat-resistant and capable of withstanding rapid temperature changes without expanding or breaking apart. Through advanced computer simulations and prototype testing, they were able to refine the design until they achieved a working system. Aerodynamics also played a huge role in the development of this jet. At hypersonic speeds, airflow behaves differently than at lower speeds. The jet's shape had to be carefully designed to minimize drag and maintain stability. The sleek, streamlined body reduces air resistance, while specially designed control surfaces help maintain balance and maneuverability even at extreme velocities. Every aspect of the aircraft's shape has been optimized to ensure it remains efficient and stable throughout its flight. Another major factor is the jet's stealth capability. Traditional radar systems struggle to track hypersonic objects because they move too fast for detection systems to process in real time. The heat generated by the jet could make it visible on infrared sensors, but engineers have worked on ways to reduce this thermal signature. Special coatings and heat management systems help minimize the jet's detectability, making it harder for enemy forces to track or target it. The cockpit and control systems have also been designed with precision. Pilots operating at hypersonic speeds need highly responsive controls that allow for quick adjustments. The aircraft is equipped with advanced avionics and flight control systems that help maintain stability even in extreme conditions. High-speed data processing ensures that the pilot receives real-time information without delays, which is crucial when flying at such intense speeds. Beyond military use, hypersonic technology has the potential to change air travel as well. If the same engineering principles used in this jet were applied to commercial aviation, passenger flights could be significantly faster. Trips that currently take hours could be completed in a fraction of the time. For example, a flight from New York to Tokyo, which normally takes over 13 hours, could be completed in under 2 hours. This would completely change how people travel across the world. Don't miss the next scene where things get even more interesting. Countries advancing hypersonic jet technology. The development of this jet has intensified global competition in hypersonic technology.
This test, widely reported in defense circles, confirms that China is advancing rapidly in the field of hypersonic technology.
Other countries, including the United States and Russia, are working on their own hypersonic aircraft projects. In the US, companies like Lockheed Martin and Boeing are developing next-generation hypersonic aircraft with military and commercial applications. Russia has also made significant progress, focusing on hypersonic missiles and high-speed reconnaissance aircraft. The race to master hypersonic flight is not just about military power, but also about pushing the boundaries of aerospace technology. There are also potential applications beyond Earth. Hypersonic aircraft could make space travel more accessible by providing a faster and more efficient way to reach orbit. Current rocket launches require massive amounts of fuel and complex staging systems. A reusable hypersonic vehicle could reduce these costs and make space travel more practical for both scientific missions and commercial ventures. This jet represents a new level of engineering, combining speed, efficiency, and precision in a way that was once thought impossible. This is the major reason some countries were quick to jump on the idea. The push for hypersonic jets is not limited to one country. Around the world, nations are investing heavily in research and development to create their own high-speed aircraft. While China's Chang'e No. 1 has gained international attention, other countries are also working on similar projects. From military applications to commercial travel, governments and private companies are racing to develop hypersonic technology that could change global transportation and defense strategies. The United States has been one of the strongest supporters of hypersonic flight, investing billions of dollars into research. Both NASA and the U.S. Department of Defense are working on multiple projects aimed at developing hypersonic aircraft and weapons. Companies like Hermeus and Stratolaunch are leading efforts in the private sector, focusing on high-speed passenger jets and military vehicles. NASA's work on the X-59, which is designed to reduce the impact of sonic booms, is also an important step toward making supersonic and hypersonic travel more practical. The U.S. Air Force has been testing various hypersonic prototypes, including the Lockheed Martin X-51A Waverider, which reached speeds above Mach 5 in test flights. Russia is another key player in hypersonic technology, focusing primarily on military applications. The country has developed advanced hypersonic weapons such as the Avangard glide vehicle and the Kinjal missile, which are designed to travel at extreme speeds and evade enemy defenses. Russian engineers have also explored hypersonic passenger aircraft concepts, though most of their progress has been in military systems. The government has made hypersonic research a top priority, believing it gives them a strategic advantage in modern warfare. France has taken significant steps in hypersonic research, particularly through its VMAX program. The project is focused on developing maneuverable hypersonic vehicles that could be used for both defense and aerospace applications. France's work in this field is closely linked to the European Space Agency, which is also exploring the potential of hypersonic flight. As a leading country in aerospace technology, France's involvement signals Europe's growing interest in high-speed aviation. India is rapidly expanding its hypersonic capabilities, primarily through its Hypersonic Technology Demonstrator Vehicle, HSTDV. The Indian government has emphasized self-reliance in defense technology, and the HSTDV is a key part of that strategy. The country has successfully tested hypersonic technology and is aiming to develop its own high-speed missiles and aircraft in the near future. The project aligns with India's broader efforts to strengthen its military capabilities, while also exploring the commercial potential of hypersonic flight. Australia has also joined the global hypersonic race, working closely with the United States on projects like the Hypersonic International Flight Research Experimentation HIFIRE program. Australian researchers have contributed to the development of scramjet engines, which are essential for sustained hypersonic travel. The country sees hypersonic technology as a way to enhance both defense and space exploration efforts. Japan has begun investing in hypersonic research as well, primarily focusing on defense applications. The country is developing high-speed glide vehicles and is considering future hypersonic passenger aircraft. Japan's aerospace industry has long been known for innovation, and its work in hypersonic flight could lead to new advancements in both military and civilian aviation. Several other countries, including Germany, the United Kingdom, and Canada, are also exploring hypersonic technology. While not as advanced as the leading nations, they are investing in research and partnerships to stay competitive. The global interest in hypersonic jets shows that this technology is not just a passing trend, but a major focus for the future of aviation. The next part of the video will change everything you are thinking. Certain problems of hypersonic jets. Countries with strict rules about noise pollution are unlikely to allow hypersonic jets, like China's Enchang No. 1, to operate in their airspace. These jets generate a sonic boom that is much louder than what supersonic aircraft like the Concorde created. When a plane breaks the sound barrier, it sends out a shock wave that can sound like a loud explosion. This was a major reason why the Concorde was banned from flying over many populated areas, forcing it to stick to routes over oceans. The problem with hypersonic jets is that their booms are even more intense, making it harder to gain approval for them to fly over countries with tough noise regulations. That is why countries like the United States and those in the European Union have been hesitant about allowing hypersonic jets in their skies. Aviation authorities in these regions enforce strict policies to limit noise pollution, making it difficult for aircraft that produce extreme sonic booms to gain approval. Even NASA is working on its X-59 program to reduce noise levels for supersonic travel, but adapting that technology to hypersonic speeds is an entirely different challenge. Without a breakthrough that significantly reduces noise, many countries may continue to reject these jets, especially for flights over land where millions of people could be affected. The environmental impact is another major reason why certain countries are against hypersonic jets. Wildlife reserves, national parks, and protected ecosystems are sensitive to loud noise disturbances. Countries like Canada and Australia, which prioritize environmental conservation, are less likely to approve hypersonic flights that could disrupt natural habitats. The extreme heat generated at hypersonic speeds also raises concerns about material durability and maintenance costs, making these jets an expensive and impractical option for many nations. The ET9 sedan. First is the Neo ET9, which is an electric sedan that brings unique innovation, especially with its impressive hydraulic suspension system. One of the standout features is its ability to shake snow off the roof without the help of a snow brush, just by moving from side to side. This clever design can save time and effort during winter, but it's wise to secure loose items in the cabin, as the shake could cause things like coffee cups to spill. Beyond its fun features, the ET9 is a luxurious car packed with cutting-edge technology. Powered by a dual motor system producing 77 horsepower, it offers quick acceleration and a smooth ride. With a 120 kilowatt-per-hour battery, it delivers a 255 kilometers range and charges quickly, taking just 5 minutes to get back on the road. With a starting price of around $110,000, the Neo ET9 is perfect for someone looking for a stylish and high-tech electric vehicle. It's not just about performance. It's a statement of sophistication, making it the ideal choice for those who want both luxury and innovation in their ride. If you think this innovation is breathtaking, what would you say when you see the next one? GAC's Gov.
The Gov prototype vehicle is an autonomous, or remotely piloted, eVTOL aircraft and roadable one-passenger vehicle designed for on-demand air and ground taxi service for advanced air mobility.
At GAC's recent Tech Day, they revealed a groundbreaking innovation, the Gov flying car. This futuristic vehicle combines the convenience of a regular car with the freedom of flying. The Gov features a unique design, with a four-wheel base and a detachable flying capsule equipped with 6 folding blades. This allows it to switch between driving and flying modes seamlessly. The car operates autonomously, meaning passengers don't need to control it manually. Instead, they simply set the destination using a tablet interface. An interesting standout feature of the Gov is its ability to autonomously fly to charging stations, ensuring that it never runs out of power during flight. The vehicle's base works as an electric car, allowing it to travel on public roads. Undoubtedly, the Gov represents a huge leap forward in personal transportation, blending high-tech flying capabilities with the practicality of road travel. It's a glimpse into the future of mobility, where driving and flying are no longer separate. The EHang 216S. The EHang 216S is a groundbreaking drone taxi developed by the Chinese company EHang, designed to revolutionize urban transportation. This electric, unmanned aerial vehicle can carry 2 passengers and offers a quiet, eco-friendly way to travel short to medium distances. With 8 rotors providing lift, it's fully autonomous, taking off, navigating, and landing without any human input. The aircraft is designed to be safe, even in emergencies, as it can continue flying and land safely if one rotor fails. With a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour and a ceiling of 3,000 meters, the EHang 216S represents a futuristic, efficient solution for urban mobility. It combines technology, safety, and environmental friendliness, offering a glimpse into the future of aerial transportation. This revolutionary drone could change the way we travel in cities, making traffic jams a thing of the past. Don't you think so?
This pilotless aircraft features vertical takeoff and landing, functioning much like a massive quadcopter. Remarkably, it can cover a distance of approximately 22 miles or 35 kilometers on a single charge.
XPeng X3. XPeng has just revealed its latest innovation, the XPeng X3, a cutting-edge flying car that can take off and land vertically. Weighing around 1,936 kilograms, the X3 is equipped with 8 rotors, making it capable of both road and air travel. In car mode, it behaves like a regular vehicle, providing a familiar driving experience. When switching to flight mode, the X3 is controlled by a steering wheel and gear lever, offering easy navigation in the sky. The vehicle can reach speeds of 130 kilometers per hour and stay airborne for up to 35 minutes. One of the standout features of the X3 is its advanced charging system, which allows the ground module to recharge the air module during operation. The vehicle can be controlled manually or automatically, depending on the driver's preference. Inside, the cabin offers a 270-degree panoramic view, combining the comfort of an electric car with the thrill of flying. The Xpeng X3 sets a new standard in personal transportation, blending innovation with practical functionality. BYD Yangwang U8, introducing the world's first floating SUV, the BYD Yangwang U8. This incredible vehicle blends advanced technology with unique features, making it a game-changer in the SUV market. Priced at around $50,000, the U8 comes with a hydraulic system that adjusts its height by 150 mm, offering unmatched versatility on any terrain. Its tank turn capability allows for a complete 360-degree rotation while staying stationary, but what makes it truly groundbreaking is its ability to float. The base model can navigate through up to 1 meter of water, while the off-road version can handle depths of up to 1.4 meters. In emergency situations, the U8 enters floating mode, the engine shuts off, the windows close, and the air conditioning circulates inside. The sunroof opens for an emergency exit, and the SUV can float for up to 30 minutes, moving at a safe speed of 3 kilometers per hour. This innovative design is intended solely for emergencies, not recreational use, and the vehicle must undergo service center inspection after activation. The U8 is setting a new standard for safety, innovation, and capability in SUVs, combining technology and practicality like never before. Whether on land or in water, the U8 is ready to tackle it all, proving that the future of driving is here and it's floating. Are you ready for this floating marvel? Meanwhile, how about we show you the one that you can take off to take skies with? This next one will shock you. SkyTrain.
The monorail, aptly named the Optics Valley Photon, with wheels on top, giving it an upside-down appearance. People are fascinated by the train's unique design, as if science fiction has come to life.
China has unveiled a groundbreaking innovation, the first unmanned flying train. While it doesn't soar like an airplane, this futuristic transport system operates above the ground, suspended by a monorail that spans 10.5 kilometers. The SkyTrain glides at speeds of 60 kilometers per hour and can carry up to 200 passengers. Its construction was completed in just 7 months, a timeline similar to building traditional train tracks. What's more, it offers a safer and more efficient solution to urban transit, with fewer accidents and more space for passengers. But it's not just about style. This technology could revolutionize city transportation. By floating above traffic, the SkyTrain avoids congestion, providing a faster and smoother commute. Its elevated design also opens up more ground space for other developments like parks and roads, contributing to a cleaner, more organized city. This flying train combines futuristic tech with practical benefits, making it a potential game-changer for how we navigate crowded urban environments, with efficiency, safety, and space-saving all in one. Shane. The Shane is a revolutionary electric concept car created by Shane Chen, the inventor of the original hoverboard. This innovative vehicle is the world's first two-wheeled electric car, combining futuristic design with practicality. Despite its toy-like appearance, the Shane can comfortably accommodate 5 adults. The interior is designed like a futuristic roller coaster, offering an exciting experience for all passengers. What sets the Shane apart is its ability to automatically adjust its wheels to maintain perfect balance while driving, even at high speeds. This unique feature ensures stability, as the shifting center of gravity helps counterbalance the forces of acceleration and braking. The result is a safe, stable ride, just like being in a traditional four-wheeled car. Combining cutting-edge technology with visionary design, the Shane promises a new era of electric vehicle travel. It's a revolutionary concept that's designed to redefine the future of transportation, blending style, safety, and innovation in one exciting package. T-Flight. China's Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation has just achieved a major milestone in transportation technology. During a test of its new magnetically levitated train, it exceeded its previous speed record of 623 kilometers per hour. The test was conducted in a low vacuum tube just 2 kilometers long, and while the exact speed remains classified, the company confirmed a significant breakthrough. This test proves the system's readiness and is a step toward building a high-speed maglev network across China. The train uses magnetic forces to hover above the tracks, boosting its speed, and future plans include developing a maglev train capable of breaking the sound barrier, surpassing airplanes. The race for faster, more efficient transportation is on, and China is leading the way. Lazarus LMV 496.
This is the Lazarus LMV 496, which is the world's first transforming flying electric motorbike.
The Lazarus LMV 496, designed by engineer Ludovic Lazarus, is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the thrill of a high-performance motorcycle with the excitement of flight. This electric motorbike operates on the road like a powerful and smooth motorcycle, offering a range of about 60 miles. But the real magic happens when the bike transforms. With the flip of a switch, 4 jet engines are deployed from each wheel hub, turning the LMV 496 into a flying vehicle. These turbines, fueled by kerosene, produce a combined 1,300 horsepower, allowing the bike to soar for short distances of up to 10 minutes. This combination of road and flight capabilities redefines personal transportation, offering an unprecedented mix of practicality and innovation. The LMV 496's design includes vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, making it a truly unique machine. As a limited edition masterpiece, this incredible vehicle comes with a hefty price tag of around $500,000. The Lazarus LMV 496 is an extraordinary blend of technology and adventure, offering a glimpse into the future of personal mobility where the road meets the sky. Are you ready to fly in the non-regular flight transport? Check out this next revolutionary innovation. The Flyer. The Flyer is here to change the game for thrill seekers and urban commuters alike. This personal electric aircraft offers vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, letting you bypass ground traffic and soar above the city. While personal flying vehicles are still waiting for clear regulations, the Flyer provides a sneak peek into the future of urban travel. With advanced safety features and easy controls, it's perfect even for those with no flying experience. Imagine cruising through the skies, avoiding traffic jams, and landing exactly where you need to be. The Flyer is more than just a sneak peek into the future. It's a revolution in personal mobility. Jump Aero JA1.
3 years ago, California-based Jump Aero announced its plan to bring first responders to emergency sites via eVTOL aircraft. The company has now unveiled the design and specs of the vehicle and already has a buyer lined up.
The Jump Aero JA1 is revolutionizing personal air travel and emergency services. Designed for speed and efficiency, this electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is perfect for getting to urgent situations faster. Whether you're navigating a busy city or reaching remote locations, the JA1's advanced electric propulsion system ensures a smooth, quiet, and emissions-free flight. It's compact, powerful, and built for urban environments where traditional vehicles struggle. With an easy-to-use control system and top-tier safety features, it offers confidence to its users. Set to transform both personal air mobility and emergency response, the JA1 promises a faster, greener, and more reliable way to address critical needs. As urban areas grow, this aircraft could become a vital tool for the future, offering quick and efficient air travel where it's most needed. Zoox Autonomous Robotaxi. Zoox, an Amazon subsidiary, has revealed an innovative autonomous robotaxi that could change the future of city transport.
Self-driving cars being tested across our valley. Starting next year, you'll see these self-driving robotaxis up and down the strip. The cars are built by Zoox in California.
Unlike traditional cars, this electric vehicle has a unique symmetrical design that allows it to drive in any direction without needing to turn around. This makes it extremely agile in busy urban areas. The cabin can hold up to 4 people, arranged face-to-face for a more social and comfortable ride. Equipped with modern sensors like LiDAR and cameras, the robotaxi can navigate safely while offering a 360 degrees awareness of its surroundings. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour, it runs for 16 hours on a single charge. While Zoox isn't selling individual vehicles, it's focusing on creating an autonomous ride-hailing service, making this a more affordable, future-ready transportation option for cities. Imagine hailing a taxi that drives itself, offering both convenience and safety, revolutionizing how we think about urban travel. More so, a space elevator could support long-term human presence in space. It would simplify transporting the materials needed to build and maintain space stations and colonies on the Moon or Mars. This could be a crucial step toward making humans a multiplanetary species. In the event of global disasters on Earth, having a space elevator could provide a quick and reliable means to send aid or even evacuate people to space habitats. So, with all these capabilities and benefits, who wouldn't want a space elevator to be a reality? Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more.